If you're dealing with hair breakage, this right here is for you. This is Cassia Abovata. Add about a cup to a glass container, and then you're going to add in some boiling hot water or lukewarm, whatever you want to do. I like boiling hot because it really activates the Cassia Abovata and all its strengthening treatments, and we're going to mix it in. Now, you want to add your water slowly so you don't get it to be super liquidy. This is the texture you want right here, and it's ready to go. Now we're going to apply it to freshly washed, detangled hair. It's important that your hair is detangled because it will not be good. Cassia Abovata improves hair elasticity. It boosts hair volume, enhances shine and smoothness. It is a natural conditioner to the hair, and it also helps to heal the scalp. But number one, it is a strengthening treatment. It coats the hair shaft, adding a protective layer that helps to prevent breakage and split ends, and that will help you retain your length. That's what we're trying to do here. Retain as much length as possible.